I'm Chef Chris Wilson, Corporate Chef, United Family of Stores. There's been a lot of questions of what can I make for my holiday meal other than traditional pies and cakes for dessert. Well, I have an idea for you today, trifle. Trifle is a traditional English dessert that a lot of people forget about. It's bringing back the old to make it new, and that's pretty exciting for me. It's going to make a real impression for your guest. The trifle consists of several components. Sponge cake, and you can see here I actually used a roll. I have a red velvet rolled cake and a pumpkin rolled cake here, which gives it a nice, interesting texture and look to the outside. It also has several layers of custard. Now you can buy a pre-made custard or get a mix or make it from scratch, whatever you like. You could even use any kind of pudding you want. I used a dulce de leche custard that I made for this. I also layered it with some blackberries. You can use any kind of berry you want. And it also traditionally uses some type of jam, preserve, or jelly. So there's different layers of those components in the trifle to give it an interesting look and lots of flavor. As you can see, this is a traditional trifle dish with straight sides with the stand, so you can see all the different layers and components that make up the trifle. I think trifle will make a great impression on your guests for the holidays. These recipes and others are available on our website.